A great deal of your dental practice marketing takes place inside your office. And do you know who is your most effective inside the office marketers? It's your staff. And they spend more time with your patients than you do. Your staff is the main factor in determining your patient's experience. A bad attitude among your staff is like a virus. It's like a cancer, and it spreads quickly. After the break, I'll tell you why your employees could be leaving and what you can do about it. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. Losing a good employee can be incredibly disruptive for your business. A recent Huffington Post article detailed the reasons why good employees leave, and I think a lot of the reasons apply to dental practices. Let's look at 6 mistakes that you may be making as a manager that lead good employees to quit. Number 1, you overwork your best people. Extra effort should always be matched by reward. If you have some very talented people who are working 60 or more hours a week, they may feel as if they're being punished and then leave. So think title changes, promotions, and raises as ways to compensate them for that workload. Number 2, you don't acknowledge their contributions. If you have self-motivated, high-performing staff, the little things matter a lot. Those people appreciate the acknowledgement, a pat on the back, a small gift from the office, or public recognition. Figure out what motivates each of your staff and keep them working hard for you. Number 3, the wrong people get hired and promoted. In the end, it's up to you to decide who you employ and who advances into new responsibilities. Bad choices on your part are a major demoralizer for the rest of the staff, and it'll lead them to question why they're working so hard when their efforts are being ignored. 4th, you fail to honor your commitments. It's easy to make promises, especially during a hallway conference in a busy practice, but your employees look to you to set the standard and the tone for the entire office. If you aren't keeping your commitments, why should they keep theirs? 5th, you don't show that you care about your staff. Most practices are small businesses, and many small businesses are like second families. Are you involved with your employees' life events, changes, triumphs, and troubles? If not, they'll think you care only about the work you can get out of them. Number 6, you don't develop your staff's skills. Some people are content to do the same job over and over until the end of time. Others want to have new challenges and rise to meet the occasion. It's up to you to find ways to challenge your staff to help them develop. Manage your people so they'll continue to stay and contribute. And one final thought here. Keep your talented, hardworking people. But those are exactly the people who have employment options that don't include you. Join me tomorrow when I'll begin a 2-day series on guidelines for search rating quality. Until then, keep moving forward.